The guy that we bought it from was. Yeah, Winchester.
Okay.
Yeah. He lives on 50.
Okay.
I live about 2 miles from 50.
That's a winter.
He's just holding on.
Make sure you keep your hands inside.
Yeah.
I've got to back up, keeping it cut hard. Yeah, because it's yeah, cut it hard, bro. It's alright, it's only a gas tank, it's already dented.
Can't hurt it no more.
All you need is a fuel cell now, I mean, that's just money to, gives you a good idea. Upgrade number 2.
Can you turn it hard driving? Try cutting it this way, you got a hell of a hole right here.
You want to run a strap or something on there?
It probably wouldn't hurt.
Yeah. We got one in the back.
That's what you do.
What, hard? Try to be easy as you can, see. Yeah. Grab hold there.
You need some help?
This one just ain't sounding very happy.
Yeah.
Pulling it downhill. I think I had that one. Thank you.
Shoo.